Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have c minus 3 to the power of 4 equals to 81, and we solve this problem for the values of c. So here the very first step we are going to do is here first we need to rewrite this equation as in this form. This is c minus 3 to the power of 4, and here we write this 81 as 3 to the power of 4. We know that 3 to the power of 4 equals to 81, and now further in the next step here we need to move this 3 to the power of 4 in the left hand side, and it will be written as c minus 3 to the power of 4 minus this is 3 to the power of 4 equals to 0. And now further in the next step here we need to simplify this equation. So we rewrite this equation as this is c minus 3 to the power of 4. We write it as c minus 3 square and its whole square minus we write this term as 3 square and its whole square, and this is equals to 0. And now in the next step here we need this nice algebraic formula. You know that if we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So according to this nice formula, we write this expression as this is our a and this is our b. So here we need to substitute the value of a and b in the right hand side of this equation, so that we write our above equation as this is c minus 3 whole square, and we have the value of a is c minus 3 square. We just substitute it here, so it will be written as c minus 3 whole square minus b, the value of b is 3 square, and it is multiplied by the second factor is a plus b. So here our a is c minus 3 square plus b is 3 square, and this whole equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to convert this equation into the two cases. So that our first case is we will take c minus 3 square minus 3 square equals to 0, and the second case is c minus 3 square plus 3 square equals to 0. So this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So here we need to focus on both of these equations, so that now from equation number 1 we have first we need to simplify equation number 1. So here we can just apply this nice formula in equation number 1. If you have a minus b whole square, it is equals to a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. So we can apply this nice formula in equation number 1, so that our equation number 1 is written as in this form. This is here our a is c and b is 3, so we write it as c square minus 2 times of c into 3 plus b square. B is 3 square, and this is our minus 3 square, and this whole equals to 0. So this minus 3 square and plus 3 square are cancelled by each other, and we will obtain here here we need to take common c, and we get c times of c minus this 2 3s are 6, and this whole equation equals to 0. So in the next step we need more simplifications, and now we need to take this c equals to 0, and we have c minus 6 equals to 0. So from this we easily get the value of c equals to 6, and here we have c equals to 0. So these are the first two real roots of the given equation. Because our given equation is fourth order, it means that our given equation has 4 roots, so that here I can find all the 4 roots of the given equation. Okay, so these are the two roots which we get from equation number 1, and now we need to solve the equation number 2. So that from equation number 2, here first we need to copy down this equation here. Okay, so from 2 we have c minus 3 whole square plus 3 square equals to 0. So here we will just apply this formula which we can write above. Here we can again use this nice formula. So according to this formula, we write this equation as, this is c minus 3 whole square. It will become c square minus 2 times of c into 3 and plus 3 square plus this is again our 3 square and this whole equal. So here we have this is c square minus 2 times of 3 becomes 6c plus this is 3 square is 9 plus this 3 square is also 9 and this whole equation equals to 0. So that here we get the equation, here we get the quadratic equation in c variable. So here we have c square minus 6c plus 9 becomes 18 and this whole equals to 0. So this equation will become quadratic in c variable, and now here we will use the quadratic formula in order to solve this equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 6 and capital C. Here we will use the capital letters in distinguish between the C. So capital A equals to 1, capital B minus 6 and capital C equals to 18. So that our quadratic formula is stated as C equals to minus B plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of AC divided by 2 times of A. This is our quadratic formula, and now we substitute the values of A, B and C here, and it will be written as C equals to minus B. The value of B is minus 6, so this will becomes minus times of minus is plus 6 and plus minus square root of b square. Again b is minus 6, so this minus 6 square equals to plus 36 minus 4 times of AC. A is 1 and C is 18, so 4 times of 18 equals to 72 and it is divided by 2 times of A. So this is 2 times of A only. Okay, so 2 times of our A is 1. And now in the next step we have this is 6 plus minus 36 minus 72 equals to minus 36 and it is divided by 2. So here we need to separate the square root on both of these terms, and it will be written as 6 plus minus square root of 36 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So this implies that the value of C equals to 6 plus minus the square root of 36 is 6, the square root of minus 1 is iota, and here we need to break this fraction and we write this into separately on both of these terms. And so here we get C equals to, this is 2 3s are 6, 3 and plus minus this is again 2 3s are 6 and this is 3 iota. Okay, so these are the two complex values of the given equation, and we have C equals to 0 and 6. These are the two real values. So these are the total 4 roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.